You're doing an arabesque, do anything. Turn around while you're thinking about the next step. Turn, okay, point, breathe. Even breathing is dancing. Breathe when you're thinking about the next step and go into the next step. And at the very least, if you're dancing to Indian music and you can't think about the next step, act out the words. Literally. That's the one thing you can do, which is still going to be dance, okay? So if it's lal ish, just do I'm doing blood. You can do anything, okay? Lal ish. This is also a step, but I don't know what to do, so I quickly just made up the words. I don't know if you know this, but the Indian contemporary was started by, or actually developed by, in India by Uday Shankar ji. Uday Shankar ji, he actually had no dance training at all. He just picked up whatever he wanted to pick up and made a form of dance. So it's not like you have to be perfect at anything, you just need to express.
And I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Can you take my hand, finish my drink, say, shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah. I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in anyway? 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. Yeah.
Guys, that was so good. Ira, when you started doing your classical, I was like, what? I didn't expect this at all. Okay, this is so much fun. Like, it was creative, it was nice to see, and I liked how you guys were like going out of the frame and stuff. It was cute.
Confident Vani. I feel like I would say that because like when it comes to dance, I love expressing myself and there is no question of being nervous.
Throughout the पूरा performance ना, my face was like पूरा एक smile था face पे. उसने जिस तरीके से start किया and उसके face पे एक बहुत एक positive smile थी पूरा dance throughout the dance.
That blend of styles was absolutely seamlessly beautiful. That was an amazing, amazing performance. So tell me, Dikshanti, who do you think is going to win, you or your sister?
Both, like
Both.
we are sharing the prize.
One day do like a gonna go.